Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter number 12, algebraic expressions in our mathematics subject for grade 7th. I have prepared separate notes for you. You have to copy and write down these notes in your mathematics textbook accordingly. It is a very easy chapter for you. Of course, it was started in your grade 6th. So what are algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions are the combination of variables and constants using the signs of fundamental operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example of algebraic expression are 4x plus 5, a plus b minus c, a square plus 2bx plus c, minus 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, etc. So all these are known as algebraic expressions along with variables, that is x, a, b, c. Here a, b, x, c are known as variables and constants are plus 5, minus 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 are known as constant. Now what are variables? A quantity which can take various numerical values is called a variable. The literal numbers small a, b, c, x, y, z, etc. are used to denote variables. What are constant? A quantity which takes a fixed numerical value is called a constant. A constant has a fixed value. Example 2, 6 minus 5 upon 2. How to form an expression? The expression 5x plus 4 is obtained from the variable x first by multiplying x by the constant 5, that is 5x, and then adding constant 4 to the product. So we will get the expression 5x plus 4. Now terms of the expression. For example, the terms of the expression 8x square minus 6xy are 8x square and minus 6xy. You have to consider this negative sign also. Factors of a term. Now let us see what are the factors of a term. For example, the expression 8x square minus 6xy contains terms as 8x square and minus 6xy, which we have seen previously. The term 8x square is a product of 8x and x. So 8x and x are the factors of the term 8x square. And the term minus 6xy is a product of minus 6x and y. So minus 6x and y are the factors of the term minus 6xy. Now what are coefficients? So for example 3xy, that is 3 into x into y. Here 3xy are the factors of 3xy. Among these factors 3 is a numerical factor and xy are the algebraic factors. Another example is 1x is written as x only. So plus 1 is usually omitted and minus 1x is written as minus x only. So minus 1 is usually omitted. Now what are monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial? Let us see first monomial. An expression having only one term. Remember, only one term is called a monomial. For example, 5x, 2x square, 3xy, 5 etc. are monomial. What are binomials? An expression having two terms is called a binomials. जिसमें दो टर्म होते हैं वो बाइनोमियल कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2x प्लस 3y, m square minus n square, a square plus b square etc. are the examples of binomial. What are trinomials? An expression having three terms is called a trinomial. That is, जिसके अंदर थ्री टर्म्स होते हैं वो ट्राइनोमियल कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x प्लस वाई प्लस 8, 3x square plus 5x minus 2, m plus 2n plus y etc. are the examples of trinomial. What are polynomial? In general, an expression having one or more terms is called a polynomial. Thus, a polynomial, a binomial and a monomial, a binomial and a trinomial are all polynomials. Now what are like terms? ये आपको पता ही है. The terms which have the same algebraic factors are called like terms. For example, 3xy minus 5xy, 2xy are the example of like terms. What are unlike terms? The terms which have different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. For example, 5px, 3yz, 4 etc. are the example of unlike terms. Now let us begin with our exercise 12.1. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. You have to just form the expression, algebraic expression over here. This you have learnt in your 6th standard also. Subtraction of z from y, that means y minus z will be your expression. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y, that is you have to first do the addition of x and y, that is x plus y, and it is half, that is 1/2 into bracket x plus y will be your expression. Third, the number z multiplied by itself, that is z multiplied by z, that is z square will be your expression. 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q, that is first you have to multiply by p with q and it's 1/4, that is the expression will be 1/4 of p and q. Homework will be question number 1, sum number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. So show the terms of and factors by tree diagram. That is x minus 3 is your expression. Here expression is x minus 3, terms will be x and minus 3. So factors of x minus 3 would be, terms will be x and minus 3 and factors will be x and minus 3. Question number 2, sum number B. Expression is 1 plus x square. So the term will be 1 x and x square, and accordingly the terms will be 1 x and x square and their factors will be 1 x, and here you have to separate this x square in x and x form along with tree method. Sum number E, minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. So the terms will be minus ab, 2b square and minus 3a square, and their factors will be, minus ab will have 3 factors, minus 1, a and b. 2b square will be also having 3 factors, 2b and b. Minus 3a square also will be having 3 factors, minus 3a and a. Question number 2, sum number 1, question number 2, 1, sum number C and D will be a homework. Now question number 2, part 2. Identify terms and factors in the expression. Here the expression is minus 4x plus 5. The term is minus 4x and 5 and the factors are minus 4x and 5. Sum number D, xy plus 2x square y square. So the terms will be xy and 2x square y square. Accordingly the factors are xy, 2x, x, y and y. Sum number F, 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. So the terms are 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B and 3.6 A. Accordingly their factors will be 1.2 A B minus 2.4 B 3.6 A. Sum number G, 3 upon 4x plus 1 upon 4. So the terms will be 3 upon 4x and 1 upon 4. Accordingly the factor will be 3 upon 4 x and 1 upon 4. Question number 2, part 2, sum number B, C, E and H will be your homework. You have to solve accordingly. Now question number 3. Here also you have to identify the numerical coefficient of terms other than constant in the following expression. For example, the expression is 5 minus 3t square. So the terms which is not constant is minus 3t square, as t is the variable. So the numerical constant is, coefficient is minus 3. Second, 1 plus t square plus t cube. So the terms which is not constant is t cube and t square. Accordingly the numerical constants are 1, 1 and 1 only. Third, x plus 2xy plus 3y is the expression. So the terms which is not constant are x, 2xy and 3y, as they contains the variables x and y. So the numerical coefficient respectively will be, x is having 1, 2xy is having 2 coefficient, 3y is having 3 as a coefficient. Sum number 5, minus p square q square plus 7 pq. So the terms are minus p square q square and 7 pq. So the numerical coefficient respectively are minus 1 and 7. Sum number 7, 3.4 r square. So the term which is not constant is 3.4 r square and its numerical coefficient is 3.14. Sum number 8, 2 into bracket L plus B, that is 2L plus 2B. So the terms are 2L and 2B. Accordingly the numerical coefficient is 2 and 2. Sum number 4, 5, 6 and 9 will be your homework. Question number 4, part A. identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. It is same as question number 3. First expression is y square x plus y. So the terms which contain x, we have to write that term only. So the term which contain x is y square x and the coefficient of x is y square. Expression 13y square minus 8xy. So the terms which contain x is minus 8xy and its coefficient is minus 8y. Third, x plus y plus z. So the term which contain x is x only, so its coefficient will be 1. Fourth, 5 plus zx. So the term which contains only x is zx, so its coefficient will be z. Fifth, 1 plus xy. Here there are two terms which contain x. First is x and second is xy. So the coefficient accordingly of x is 1 and of xy is y. Sixth number, 12xy square plus 25. So the term which contain x is 12xy square. Accordingly its coefficient will be 12y square. Seventh number, 7x plus xy square. So the term which contain x is 7x and xy square is written over here, and then coefficient of x is 7 and y square. Question number 4, part B. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. It is same as of 4a. Here the expression is 8 minus xy square. So minus xy square will be the term containing y square and coefficient of y square is minus x. Second, 5y square plus 7x. So the term which contains y square is 5y square and its coefficient is 5. Third, 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Here two terms are containing y square, that is minus 15xy square and 7y square. So their numeric coefficient is minus 15x and 7. Sum number 5. Classify the monomials, binomials and trinomials. It's very easy. You have to copy the question from your textbook and solve accordingly. Question number 6. State whether the given pair are like terms or unlike terms. So you have already seen the examples of like terms and unlike terms which you have studied in your grades 4th, 5th and 6th also. Accordingly you have to write down the like terms and unlike terms. Question number 7. Identify the like terms in the following. Here the question you have to copy from your textbook, and accordingly you have to write the like terms having my x, y square. You can see I have solved the sums for you and you have to copy accordingly. Along with this video, part 2 of this video will be sent to you today only, and PDF of the solutions will be sent to you. So be ready to watch the second video of this chapter also. Bye-bye.